cast off. Lady down is hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said.
Sometimes out of 9 I know you're lying, and 9 times out of 10 I know you're trying. So I'm trying to be fair, and you're trying to be there and to care.
Alright, your girl is back. I need to redo my lips, but right now I'm going to pick up Nate, as y'all see me calling her, because she hasn't been texting me back so that she can come outside. Like, she should have been waiting at the top of the hill. I don't understand. If I gotta go in this house and get her, it's going to be a problem. But anyways, y'all, this is the start of my fall series. Right now, I'm on the way to the fair. I'm gonna pick my friend up. And yeah, we finna have a little time or whatever. I have on this burnt orange 2-piece set. Of course, you can't really see it because I got my seatbelt on. But yeah, a couple of y'all was on my live earlier, so y'all probably seen it. But yes, I did a little quick beat on my face because I put my lashes off, y'all. But I will see y'all when they get back in the car, because I'm gonna blow her phone down, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear that. What's up, YouTube? We back again. I was just y'all.
Yes, I took 30 years. I know.
50 years.
I know.
Like, what the fuck? Anyway, we're 15 minutes from the fair, so
Don't even got shit on.
clock it. Bitch,
What? Yes, we gonna take some shots before we go in.
what is it though?
It's Repo tequila. And that's all that matters.
You was give me some Jose Cuervo.
Fuck no.
What is it?
It's Lonazol.
Okay.
When I'm feeling, what
That's
that song
better.
say? When I'm feeling broken down too.
I was moving too fast. Say I could've bought you chrome. Let me get in my zone. They know I repose. Yeah, money guns, nigga. I'm gon' fuck. Look at my eyes, she make me come out. On a minute, you know you find nice skill, baby. My mama just want some Gucci, but I ain't rock steady. I ain't gotta tell you that's my.
Bruh. Here go the traffic right here.
I should have brought my weed. I ain't even drink mine no chaser.
This water.
Weak ass chaser. I mean weak ass traffic. 3.5 video, you over there looking like a motherfucking pumpkin.
Literally. Fucking big ass bitch.
Nigga bitch and pick up for the drop. Take a thick caramel bitch and put her across my lap.
She keep playing with Lil Ray, so I hit too much. Some bad little shit. I wouldn't play by my bitch. It's some fucked up bad little shit. I already know how Lil Ray is. I can see the stars. Wanna talk about your past, you don't know where to start. What I gotta do to prove to you that I'm the one. I know she gon' ride, she got my side, she like my gun.
We made it. We finna go. Oh my god. When I just seen all them people, my stomach just dropped to my ass.
I didn't even see that part. That's bad. I need some black lights.
There's so many people here, y'all. What the fuck? Oh. Keep pressing on mine. You trying to get some of mine.
Let me get BBO Drizzy in my vlog.
You funny. BBO Drizzy. So we trying to decide what the spoiled brat wants to eat. What do you have a taste for?
I'm trying to see.
Corn dog.
Or should I get a hamburger combo?
Cheeseburger?
A cheeseburger combo?
Yeah, but they look like a sausage though. That's a sausage. It's Italian sausage. Hi. May I have a corn dog? How much is a combo?
It's right there. $12 for a corn dog combo.
Are you gonna get a combo?
Yeah, I'll get a combo.
Okay, I just want a corn dog. No combo.
I want a combo. I'm hungry as fuck. I need some fries. Where the fries at? Let me see what they look like. they look like?
1,000 or 2,000?
Okay. Can I get I want a corn dog combo, and can I get seasoning on my fries? I'm sorry. Some type of juice. I'll take fruit punch.
Cause why she don't want lemonade? I need some ketchup.
She go glizzy corn dog, glizzy got
You got one too. You got some ketchup? Okay, thank you.
I miss my man. Y'all take Apple Pay? Thank you.
I thought they said 100. That's why I paid cash. I would have paid card. I already ate my food.
Corn dog gone.
What the? Okay, yeah.
I'm still hungry. For real.
Me too.
10 out of 10.
Good job.
Man, I missed. I'm on that. Is it cute?
So you say you're gonna win me a beer, right? Or a fish, a goldfish?
A goldfish is crazy. That shit gonna die if I hate. That shit gonna die. Bella gonna eat it.
She would never. This is my man for today, actually. Yes! I want to get on the merry-go-round.
Oh, that is the merry-go-round.
She want to go on the
I'd rather
damn
get on the Ferris wheel for
upside down.
I'm scared. I am too a little bit, I ain't gonna lie.
Not fucking ready.
What the fuck is this?
I'm fucking scared, y'all. Oh shit, bro. Sit your big ass. Ouch!
Lock the nose.
Stop!
No, we didn't make sure we
bitch.
cool.
What the f? A real seat thing? A real seat belt?
Don't lock? We be done spinned out this bitch. Put my train. Oh my god, it's not spooky season, but
It is spooky.
it's not enough.
October.
It's not enough seats. We got enough seat for one.
The shit finna start. Why they not on the thing?
We got enough seat for
Oh,
one.
you right there.
I'm gonna have my phone like this. Ah! Ah!
He's trying to scream cute.
Oh my god, I'm motherfucking lame. Nobody joining my live.
Oh my fucking god, yeah, this shit is funny.
This bitch sound rusty.
This shit needs some baby oil. What did he have?
It's like they finna hit like.
It don't lock. Get off of me. Oh, baby. I'm busy. Fucking lie, bitch.
Bruh, my head hurting.
I'm gonna throw the fuck up. And it's nothing like that. You keeping me happy. You know how they let me. Georgia, put it right here. Put it right here. Now what? And my name is Cecily. You know what to do. And I see you looking back. I'm trying to get with you. Tattoos on my body and it's bossy cool. Looking forward to eating, baby. I'm sad at you. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie. You gotta make your ass back on this motherfucker. Alright, we're gonna go to a dance party, y'all. Alright, what's up? Not like that. What? Hey, yo. Oh. They got a stripper pole in there. Hold on. Hey, you funny, you funny. Yeah. I'm actually kind of scared. Oh, we got a driver. Shit, I'm sorry for recording you. You probably did not want to be on my vlog. Sorry. I really hate this ride. Because it's just making me dizzy and like make me control my mind. Control your mind, bitch. Like, hold on. It don't do all that now. Get your stand. Like, get ready. Oh no, I'm dizzy already. Are we going upside down? I don't know. I'm dizzy. I just feel off. It's right here. I got a fake bitch. You heard? Excuse me, honey. I know that's right. We on another ride. You ready? Hi. You ready? Look at them. They say hey. Y'all, this shit goes so fast. I'm so scared. I'm pretty ass. I'm scared. I love the bear. I got the big ass dick. Ooh, that like blessing. You vlogging? Why we not spinning, Mimi? We are. I want the bubbles. Oh my God, so many dizzies. My hair is not in my little hair on yeah, we can get on this ride. I don't know how we just got to the front of the line. Jayla, come back. I see you. Oh, yeah. I thought you was coming too. I was gonna ask you. I just got okay, I hope you come back to the ride.
Air camera. Hey man, say man, look, we got the fake YouTuber right here. Yeah. Hey man, she wasn't vlogging for real until I took the camera.
We didn't see no footage.
No, this ride was bad.
We got a lot of
How the hell you know so much people I know?
Hey, where we at? Hey, boo, where we at?
All talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She said, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss notes. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the dunk. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga.
Alright, y'all. I'm not finna sit up here and act like I just woke up because I did not. I've been in the bed. I've been in the bed just scrolling. Yeah, we're really just gonna get right into it. I got some stuff to do. Today or whatever. But I'm just so excited for the fall, y'all. I can't make it up. I'm finna cry right now. I'm a thug. I'm not finna cry. But no, for real, I am really excited for the fall. I went to the fair the other day. It was so fun. Like, I'm going to every fair. Like, I'm going to every single fair that comes. So, I hope y'all ready to come with me because, yeah, I'm going with my friends. I'm going to go with my nigga. I'm going to go on a double day. I'm going to go with my girlfriends. I'm going to go with my partners. Like, I don't know. I just love the fair. But I'm going to stop talking because I barely got space on this SD card. So, let's just get right into the video. Okay?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child. Yeah, she making ass shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever present crime. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, return policy, she can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child.
Real hot girl shit.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen.
I can say the eggs Chef's kiss. But my avocado, it's not ripe enough. It's avocado, but it's still good though. It's still good. Yeah, look, Bella don't want to get in the bath. Come get in this bath, Bella. Come on.
Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he won't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he won't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit.
Okay, y'all, so I don't know if it's just me, but God, sheesh, it's a bad spot to be trying to reverse like that. But I don't know if it's just me, but my heart be broke like every time I have to leave my baby at the house. Like every time I leave Bella at home, I be so sad. Like, oh my gosh. But I'm on the way. I'm getting my lashes in today, so I got like almost like an hour until I get my lashes done. But I'm finna go to Chick-fil-A to get me some water, and then we're gonna go shopping. And like, I really told y'all, like, I am excited for the fall, but it's so hard to get in the spirit in Atlanta because it's literally, let me see how many degrees it is. It's literally 82 degrees in October. Like, it's supposed to be cold. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just went in here to go grab me a new SD card, but I literally got 20 minutes until my appointment starts, so I'm just gonna make me a list of things that I need to get for the house for after I get my lashes done. Okay, so first, I know I need some more Ordinary. I need some more glycolic acid. Then I want some candles, air freshener. I need a new hamper. I want a wreath for the door. I want a doormat. What else do I want? No, I'm still trying to decide if I want my TVs mounted or if I want a TV stand. I haven't decided yet, but I feel like they need to be mounted because they're so big. Okay, y'all, my lashes are done. And the set is cute or whatever, but I would never go back. Never. I don't even like going to new people, but yeah, it was last minute, child. The girl doing my lashes was like scrolling through TikTok the whole time laughing and shit. And I'm like thinking, the fuck? Like, she was doing my lashes, but like in between she was stopping to scroll and stuff like that. And I'm just like, and I could hear it in her headphones, and she didn't have like no music playing or nothing. It just was not for me. And I don't like to bash people because I'm a service provider myself, but when you just weird, Like, and then like she didn't even say hey, like she would just like sit right here.
Say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing is style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever.
Alright, so I'm trying to decide. I got these pillows because we need some more pillows for bed. It don't even fit in the shopping cart. Okay. I was gonna get this juicy set for my bed, but I'm not gonna get it because the last 3 comforters I got is black, and so I'm gonna do something different. But this is all they have here, so I'm just gonna put it back. I think I'm gonna get this for my front door. Yeah.
We fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she the reverse. Got up on the dick and ride the shit like a Camaro.
I can't be.
Yeah, I found the cutest candle ever. I actually broke the shit up first. This is like a candle, you know, like if you was to get the food, like, I don't know, it's like a candle you want to eat. It's called pumpkin sugar. It's the same one. I mean, it's the same scent, but it smells so good. I ended up getting this wreath. It's kind of ugly.
Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money deep. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp.
Thank you to the vacuum.
Hi, can I get a small almond spice coffee? Well, can I get a medium almond spice coffee? Iced coffee.
What else for?
And can I get a side of hash browns, and that's all.
At the moment, it's no food. The oven's gonna get sick.
Oh, okay, well, just that.
Okay, go pull around for me.
How she gonna ask me what else I want if they ain't got no food? But I wouldn't even say I'm trying a new drink, y'all, because I've been drinking this drink for like the past week. But it is a fall drink, so we're gonna try it together. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. I just made, y'all already know this shit good. Let me see if they made it right. Cause this shit really be tasting different every time. I mean, this drink. I need to stop cursing. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. This is probably the best one I done had. Let me take the picture before I drink this in one go. Yeah, this real good. We finna finish shopping though, y'all. Y'all. What the Target was literally 5 minutes away from the Dunkin'. Now either this was overly good or I was just overly thirsty. I don't know. Or maybe it's because they filled my whole cup up with ice. I don't really know. But it was good. I'm sad it's gone. But I made it to Target. I gotta go down these elevators to get to Target or whatever. I'm finna try and see if I can find the rest of the stuff that was on my list. If not, I might just hang it up and wrap it up on for today because, baby, I'm tired.
Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit.
Y'all, I just found these air fresheners. They smell so good. And this one, I really should not get this. I really shouldn't get this for real. I think I'm gonna get it because it smells so good. I feel like I'm a big bag just for even wanting it. I think I gotta get it. It's so bad. I knew Target was not gonna disappoint with the wreaths. I literally put the other wreath back. It was so hideous. So I'm thinking, I don't know which one I should get. Or this one. That's really cute.
You